Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a flowchart in Lucidchart, step by step. Flowcharts are great for visualizing processes, making tasks easier to understand. First, log into your Lucidchart account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free and start a new document. Once logged in, click on New Document or choose a flowchart template to get started quickly. Templates can save time if you want a professional layout right away. Next, drag and drop shapes from the left-hand panel onto your canvas. Common shapes include rectangles for steps, diamonds for decisions, and ovals for start and end points. Connect the shapes using arrows to show the flow of the process. Make sure the direction of the arrows clearly represents the sequence of steps. You can customize each shape with colors, text, and formatting options to make your flowchart visually clear and easy to read. Once your flowchart is complete, review it for accuracy and clarity. You can also share it with your team, export it as an image or PDF, or embed it into documents. And that's it. Creating a flowchart in Lucidchart is simple, intuitive, and helps communicate complex processes effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy diagramming!